Hello everybody, this is a big day. And why is that? Well, today I'm gonna reveal two of my greatest mixing and producing secrets. How about that? These are tricks that I've been using for a long time, 15 years at least. And I still use them almost every day. And I'm gonna try to explain them to you visually instead of going into the computer and do everything there. Because you have seen that before. But this is a new way of describing things, and I'm trying to do it in a visual way, and just put a question in the comments if you don't understand. All right, are you ready? Trick and tip and secret number one. How do you get the choruses fatter, bigger, louder, and everything? How do you do that? How can you achieve the feeling of, whoop, everything just gets louder and better, hopefully, in the chorus? How do you do that? Well, you don't actually increase the volume on the choruses. You lower the volume on the parts before and after. So you use your master bus volume, and we're talking about 0.5 to 1.2 decibels. And sometimes more, sometimes less, depending on everything. So it goes down before, like in the verse and the bridge before, and then it goes up to 0 on the actual choruses. So you don't actually lift the volume on the choruses, you just come back to 0. Okay, that was the first one. The second one is a trick that I'm calling, I call it the reverse swish effect. Okay, and this is something that you can really use before something big is gonna happen, maybe before the choruses or before a very important part of the song. So what you do is maybe you have a part in the song which have a big downbeat, bam, and maybe you have like an echo reverb tail going on. So you record that hit, or maybe it's the end of the song. You record that, you bounce that down. So you end up with a file which is like 4, 5, 6, 10 seconds long. So you bounce that, and then you apply that to a separate channel, put it on reverse, and then blend that into taste just before the actual choruses comes in. So the feeling you get from this, depending how you use it, is that you get this swell, this swoosh effect, but with instruments and environment that is already in the song. The instruments in the effect is already used in the song. So it's like you have already painted this effect with your own colors. So this is it's a huge thing. You can use it very massively. You can use it very subtly as well. So bounce downbeat part of the song, bounce that down, put it back in, reverse it, and then blend it into taste, and you will have this swoosh reverse effect. So those are the two tricks that I want to share with you right now. My biggest secrets at this moment. Okay, until next time, take it easy.